So yeah, so we're gonna wait most likely up until 1 o'clock. But they also said that the doctors meet in at 8 o'clock, then they have a conference at 9 o'clock, and after that conference, then they'll know the schedule. It was weird that we were told to meet in at 7, and I don't know if they just want margins of hours. I've got this kick-ass bracelet there.
Pretty nice.
But it's sticky and weird though.
And floppy.
A floppy bracelet. Well, you brought a book. I brought my computer so I can do some productive work. Should we watch Bly Manor and Hospital Reaction video?
What we actually should watch is Kingdom,
No,
the Danish show about this hospital.
oh yeah, yeah, Rio. I didn't know it was called Kingdom in English.
Which doesn't really make sense because it's called Rio, because it's Rigshospitalet.
Yeah, exactly.
Have you seen it?
No, I haven't.
In the intro song, in the Danish version, in the background, you just hear Kingdom. Because I asked Gustav, I was just, why are they saying ding dong? And he was like, no, it's Kingdom.
Some goofy ass music of Ding Dong.
That's the shit for right now.
That's the shit. We'll see what happens after we get told when the schedule is out. Then we'll probably know when I'm gonna have surgery.
I'm telling you, if you just have the surgery today, that's a win.
I can't eat or drink, and I'm thirsty as fuck right now. I was told that I can't gurgle to just to simulate a water drinking sensation.
I mean, I also haven't had water today,
Fair.
and I'm fine.
Fair. It is also a skill issue, but yeah.